You can open the SERP Toolkit from the Extensions tab. Yeah, this have like a authentication request body and advanced tab. So this is the SERP Stack API. You can get the API keys from that page. Also, the documentation for the API, it's already uh, written in that page. So this is really going to helpful when you're going to uh, run the Substack. Yeah, you can add the keywords. That's the Google search query in that particular tab. Um, you can replace this as digital tools, uh, then t-shirts, or whatever queries you need. So it's going to create new separate sheet for each queries. Selects the appropriate device type, output results you want. You can customize it based on the API request from SERP Stack. Yeah, the default results right now it's 10, but you can customize it based on the requirements. Advanced features are basically for more features, uh, but it's kind of like right now here is like a safe search on or off based on the customizations you want. Yeah, so when you run, click on the run. After you enter the details, you will see that um, the sheets results in that particular Google sheet. Next, we are going to show the formulas. Those are the custom functions. The first one here is unshort URL. That's basically works for the Google, Facebook, Twitter, Bitly, Tiny URL, etc. So basically, you just have to use the custom formula. That's um, the unshort URL, the function. Another function we have right now is HTTP status code formula, which is going to return the HTTP status code for a particular URL you're going to add. So here we are going to add the TechCrunch URLs and see that it's returning 200. For the next step, we are going to um, set up a redirect URL. So what's going to like and see what's going to going it's going what it's going to return. Yeah, this is the reverse string formula, which is basically reverse the string. So in this example, it's going to reverse the TechCrunch URL. That's all. Thank you.